cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve. It's associated with the sense of smell and is purely sensory. When you sniff a perfumed hand sanitizer like this, basically what happens is those impulses come into the olfactory bulb right here, which is right on the underside of the frontal lobe. It runs down the tract of the frontal lobe posteriorly and tucks in behind the temporal lobe and back here in the sensories.
Hi, my name is Lauren Pfeiffer, and today we're going to be talking about the cranial nerve optic number 2. We're going to start off with its origin and its course, and then move along to the function, and then finally end with testing our optic nerve. For starts, origin and course of the optic nerve is the fibers arrives from the retina of the eye and passes through the canal of the symphoid bone. The fibers cross over the chiasma and continue to the thalamus, and from the thalamus they move to the final ending where the fibers go to the primary visual cortex as the optic radiation. The function, it carries afferent impulses associated with our vision, and it is purely sensory. Finally, we're going to be moving to the testing of our optic nerve. Tests involve as many as you may know to test if you can see pretty well. The ones with the letters on it, you have to sit there and read it from afar. And we also do one with our finger where we have to test our peripheral vision. And today I'm going to be doing the peripheral vision testing with the finger. Let's give a round of applause for my boyfriend, Corbin Cornwell. Yeah. Okay. Can you hold your hand over your eye? Okay, watch my finger. Okay, now put your other hand on your other eye. Cool, his eyesight's pretty good. Pretty good. That is the optic nerve number 2, people. Thank you.
The third cranial nerve is called the oculomotor nerve, and the origin of this cranial nerve and the course of it is that the fibers are coming from the ventral midbrain and enter the orbit, and then they exit the skull through the superior orbital fissure. The function of this nerve is primarily motor, and it's responsible for the eyeball movement and the eyelid movement, and that's through the parasympathetic fibers that controls your lens shape and your pupil size. And then to test this nerve, what you're gonna do is just get a light, and I don't know if you can see, my eyelid or my pupil is constricting when the light's shining on it. So, yeah, and then that's for your pupil size, and then convergence can also be tested by just following the light with your eyeballs. So